Assalamu alaikum guys. So today I'm going to be replaying car parking multiplayer because last time some sound did not come outside because of the car engine turbo. So today I am going to be offing the car engine turbo in the game and let's start the game. So let's start it. So today we are going to be playing single player like last time. So let's go to home. Let's start the game. It's showing loading. So before you see my video, please subscribe, like, share. So loading. See, so this is my house, and I don't know the reason. Still I cannot go up. Okay, let's go to outside to see if my BMW M5 is there. So sorry, I forget to tell you. Today I'm going to be playing with the BMW M5. So I don't know. The car did not come here. Let's re-game. Okay, I have an idea. Where's the car? So my car is not here. So let's go to the game and restart the game. Sometimes it comes. Sometimes the car will be teleported. Sometimes the car won't be teleported to your place. So the reason I'm not playing in online is that if I play online, the display will be very laggy, so it will be very difficult for you to see. So now let's go to the outside and see if my car is there still there, because that is a hard working car. It's very hard to get this car like my S-Class. This and S-Class are very expensive, should give real money, but sometimes some people will sell the car for in the game. If you play online game, you will sell the car for lucky, for less money. You don't need to give real money, so we can buy the car from them, and they can get the car back also. That's it. Now my sister also playing this game, and she don't have like this expensive cars. I have now 3 mil. My sister have only 100k. I'm planning to give my sister money, but I'm telling you need to give no problem. So I'm waiting, and I give only this M5. My sister like this car, so I give one car and I get my car back. She also has the same car. Oh, this is not my problem. This car is very fast. I don't know the reason. It's very low in horsepower, but somehow it's very fast. I don't know the reason. Oh, that's very fast. So let's go to the city once more. Oh, this is very fast. It will be a tricky job to take this car to the city. Oh, nothing happened to the engine anyway. Or sometimes the engine will be damaged. Engine damaged it will show, so we should repair, or the car petrol will go very fast. Only this car, like this expensive cars in the game, only comes if the engine is broken, it still drives, but our petrol will be very low. So today I have running nose. That's the sound of running nose you can hear. See. I told it would be a tricky job. Anyway, we are coming here. Maybe we will reach. Yes, I got it to the city. That is only the tricky way. Oh, this car is very fast. Oof, it's very hard to control also. 1 second guys, let me put on stability help. It's very hard. Parking sensors, all-wheel drive, everything is okay. So the last time problem I will show you. Okay, you see the sound. This is the problem. This is the problem was last time. That's the reason for the big sound in the game. Okay, now, and today I will show the trick once more because the last time did not hear. So in this game, money life hack is there. So today I'm going to show that also. and only one money life hack works in multiplayer, other only works in single player. So let's go fix our car first. Okay, let's teleport to the place. Okay, I have reached. First body life hack is like this thing you see. You should go more than that. I got 5,000. See, like this you will get it. One more time I'll show you. Our horsepower should be more. This is going very fast. Oh, it's going very fast. Oof. This you're hitting. That's only the game. Real life. It is very easy to control this in the game. Now I have some lag. Sometime we go fix my car once more because I don't like a broken car walking around. Okay, I don't like any cars broken. Okay, let's go very fast. So very fast. Yes, I have passed 200. Yes. Okay, next life hack is it should go to the all gate. Those who know this game knows that if we cross the toll gate, 5 will get minus or $5 will go. Actually, I'm telling dollar the game. We not the real money. It's a game money. We should make money by playing our levels. Okay. Okay, now first we should stop here. Okay, we should reach up like this, and do not touch the floor. By floating, we should reach inside working. The floating, yes, I got it by floating. Okay, now get inside the car. By floating, you need that working written. By floating, you should go inside. If it touch the floor, then it's good. Okay, it did not work this time. Then we see one more time. Okay, see, my money is crossing. So let's give up once more. Oh, that did not work. Let's try once more. To get them, we should reach above the your working place. Okay, I have reached it. Okay, let's go. By floating, okay, by floating I have reached. Let me try. Yes, it works. See that 100? That is what I'm telling. Now $100 we will get in the game. Sorry for the jaws running. Okay, 100. Yes. Now next life hack is I don't use this 100 because I don't have anything. I already have 3 million. So let's leave that there. So now, okay, now let's second life hack. But second is not a life hack. Second is not a life hack. So I'll show it right away. This works in multiplayer and single player. So if you cross like this, now I have already buy. It will show here in the car's emblem place here. It is the emblem place. Buy 20,000 buy or not. So if you press buy, whenever you go anywhere and not going, if you stop anywhere also, it will count one by one. See, and if we cross, we will get that much money. Now I got $50. Now I got $19. Yeah, like that. The second trick is I think I cannot show. I don't have any passengers. There will be a taxi ember. We should go there and pick the person. Just stand in front of that and they will come inside the car automatically. And second way that we should drop them. When we drop them, they will give us money. So now it's time to have fun. Okay, let's get started. Oh, okay. So I'm not going to talk anything. So you can hear the loud exhaust of my M5. Okay, I'm not going to talk anything. Let's get started. let's talk and have fun because that was a big loud and I think everybody enjoyed the sound of my M5. Actually, I didn't talk anything in that time, so I think everybody had fun. Okay, you see the last. See, I hit like this in the water pumping place. This car is pretty fast. So I have the old version of this M5 also. Actually, that is very cheap. Okay, I'm out of battery. Oh, I think let's see my old M5. The old M5 is very loud. I won't mind about that cars because I'm getting that cars for free. Other all cars, expensive cars I'm buying. It's now gift, you see, that after 24 hours we will get that gift. Maybe sometime it will be a car or one.